1. Open the tailgate and turn on the air switch. 2. Connect the power supply. 3. Connect the power supply of the water level probe in the return pipe. The buzzer light stops after connection. 4. Adding water to the water tank. When the water tank is short of water, the low light flashes, indicating that the water tank is short of water and needs to be filled with clean water. Insert the water inlet at the back of the device into the water pipe to add water. Continue adding water until the low light stops, indicating that the working water level has been reached. You can continue adding water until the full light flashes, indicating that the water tank is full. You can then close the water pipe. 5. Add cleaning solution. Add cleaning solution to the rear door of the equipment and add 1 bottle to each workpiece. 6. Workpiece connection. This equipment provides 6 sizes of sealing balls, which can meet the connection requirements of all 3-way catalytic converters. Select the appropriate diameter of sealing ball and complete the video installation. Special attention: the exhaust pipe should be cleaned in reverse, so water should enter through the exhaust port. The sealing ball should be installed firmly to prevent water leakage. 7. Water inlet and return connection. The 3-way catalyst should be placed vertically, with water inlet below and water return above. Insert the return pipe above and connect the inlet pipe below. The return pipe should penetrate into the exhaust pipe from above and support the carrier. 8. Cycle cleaning. Click the first cycle cleaning button. The equipment starts cleaning, and the cleaning solution is automatically added. The ternary water level rises rapidly. When the liquid level probe in the return pipe detects the water level, it starts the return water cycle, heating begins, and the water tank supply is cut off to ensure that the internal water capacity of the carrier is normal. If there is a shortage of water, it will automatically replenish water. After cleaning is completed, the machine will automatically stop and the indicator light will flash. Discharge the wastewater, extract the wastewater pipe, and connect it to a high-pressure water gun for the next step of high-pressure flushing. 10. High-pressure flushing. Click the second gear switch to perform high-pressure flushing on the 3 elements. In order to flush away residual cleaning solution and stains, usually for 3-5 minutes. Wait for the wastewater pipe to continue flowing with clean water, and the high-pressure flushing is completed. 11. Time setting. The cycle cleaning time is generally set to 60 minutes. 12. Drainage setting. When the equipment is not used in winter or for a long time, the water tank and cleaning solution need to be emptied. Button 1 discharges clean water. Button 2 discharges cleaning solution.